This is a 2009 Dodge Charger. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 2.7-liter V6. Features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a CD player, a four-wheel independent suspension, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, a passenger side airbag, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 68,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Chamali Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 11301 Gateway Boulevard in El Paso.